Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a pivot table in Google Sheet. First, hover over anywhere inside your pivot table. The edit icon will appear at the bottom left corner of the table. Click on it and the pivot table editor will open on the right side. From here, you can add rows and columns by clicking the add button next to each section. You can remove rows or columns by clicking the remove button next to each category. You can also change the order and sort type of each category using the drop-down menus. To adjust the values being summarized, click the corresponding add or remove button. You can change the summary type and how the values are displayed by using the available drop-down option. You can also apply filters by changing the filter status from the drop-down menu. All changes are applied instantly. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.